So we did go back with the wiring harness. The old one was jacked up, but I made a few modifications to this one, and I was able to get everything synced and mounted up. I had to replace the IPDM, I replaced the ECU, and a couple of little other things. And you can see it still needs a little bit of love, just a little bit of parts that here and there. I could probably go to pull apart and snag a bunch of this, which will probably end up happening, but I want to show y'all something. Y'all give me a second. So check this out. You know what I'm saying? So we are getting it to at least start. I have to figure out what exactly is causing it not to run, but I have an idea. So I'm going to do a couple things today to see if I can figure that out, and we will move forward. So I plugged my code reader up to it. Turns out the mass airflow was not connected. I also realized that this boot here was ripped to shreds. So this is a temporary fix just to see if I can get it to start and run. There's also a tear up there that I attempted to temporarily fix. None of this is permanent. This is just to see if I can get it to run. That way we can move forward with the process of getting it cleaned up and everything. So, cross your fingers. Do y'all hear that? She is alive. She is indeed alive. She is alive. What? She is alive. To tell y'all the truth though, I want no parts in owning this vehicle just because of the heartache, and I'm tired of vehicles giving me heartache. So I'm gonna move around, see the other things that need to be tidied up, go ahead and start putting the interior back together, and we golden, baby. So I'm coming to update y'all. We did get the car running, as y'all saw. I was actually getting ready to leave and remembered that I didn't update y'all. So as you see, the car has moved spots. It does operate under its own power, but we ran into trouble in paradise. And why do I say that? Right there, it left a big pile because the radiator decided to take a dump. So what we're waiting on now, I've already ordered the radiator and a few more parts, but aside from that, the car is running. Again, it does move under its own power. I should have got more clips of it running, but instead I was more or less focused on the performance, making sure nothing was tearing up simultaneously. So we do have a few check engine lights to attend and address, but with that being said, that's more content for y'all. I love y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with your boy. It's your boy J-Lo signing off. Peace. Yeah.